the Hong Kong government made history in the worst way possible.
Exiled Hong Kong activist Anna Kwok's father and brother were arrested by Hong Kong police. Their crime being related to an activist in exile.
This is the first time Hong Kong authorities have used the new Article 23 law to criminalize the family of a dissident living abroad. It sends a chilling message. If you speak out against the CCP, wherever in the world you are, your loved ones are next.
As Tibet activists, we know what it's like when the Chinese government punishes people, not for what they did, but for who they are. Threatening family members inside Tibet to silence Tibetan activists in exile is a deeply familiar experience for many Tibetans.
Anna and so many Hong Kong activists like her have stood with the Tibetan Freedom Movement time and time again.
SFT stands with Anna. We stand with her courage, her family members, and her right to speak freely. We've joined with the Human Rights Watch and 86 other NGOs condemning the arrest of her family members.
We demand the immediate release and dismissal of all charges against both her father and her brother. The world must speak out for all those targeted by Beijing's long arm of repression.
When they target one of us, they target all of us.